Our university, Mahidol University, we would like to be the leader in health science and also in academic excellence. What Peer does, it can support the research infrastructures and it can also make the global visibility to our university. Peer has, is pretty well known in that kind of fields, right? And it has very robust systems. It can also integrate it with our existing system like finance stuff, and it has been using with many universities, and we trust. The one thing is that we would like to bring our research work into attention to the global visibilities. So that's the one. So the number two is it helps in facilitate the research administrations from the applications of the proposals until the project closure. Since Peer is very new to us, right? So what we have to do is we have to create extensive and comprehensive training to researcher, which also has to modify depending on the user group as well, like faculty, research support from each faculty, or even the research admin from the university level. We have to really tell them the benefits, right? The first thing is their research will be visible to the world, right? So we have so many visitors from other countries, the peer portals, so we just tell them the truth. And the second thing is when we use award management, right? We tell them that, hey, by using the system, their research proposals will, go into the system, and then it will be working effectively, and for their research project, it can be managed by our research administration very effectively as well. So it reduced the papers and then it increased the efficiency. Right, so since we have just started using Peer, so what we did is when we do interdisciplinary research platform in our university, we just encourage them to seek for other researcher on our Mahidol Peer Research Portal. So the researcher knows their peers extensively from the peer profile. So this is number one. And number two is that in Peer we can extract fingerprint, right? By having the fingerprints, which is associated by each researcher, we have a plan, right, to use these fingerprints and send it out to our UIC, University Industry Collaboration Research Center, all right, so that they can use this expertise of each researcher, and then we can have that one as a menu and showing off to the industry, so that the industry can come and like look at the menu and see the expertise that they want, and then they can start working with the university. The data that they have in Peer or even from the other Elsevier product, it will help us as a university to manage the faculty easier in terms of we can create collaborations, we can promote them in such a right way, we can create the policies that suit their needs based on the data that we have.